Good morning friend. Now in this video we will see the calibration for the 70 degree. So this is 70 degree 2 megahertz probe. In this one is forward and one is backward. So we will use this probe for the calibration, and for the calibration of 70 degree we have to use this IIW block. Here this is the center and this is arc. So here to here it will be the radius. This radius is 100. From this center to this arc, total distance, total the radius is 100. So this is fixed. If we place this probe at this location, then beam path will be always constant. So we have to see here what is the beam path when the height of this echo is maximum. Here you can see, if we are moving this probe, height of the echo is increasing and decreasing. So whenever the height of this echo is maximum, that time we have to see what is the beam path. This is the peak height, this is beam path. Zoom 96. Next depth 33. And that is 33 and height. So we have to see only the beam path, because our beam path is fixed. This is the radius, so it is 100. So for the calibration of 70 degree, we have to make this beam path exactly 100 when the height of the echo is maximum. So first we have to feed the value for this 70 degree probe, like angle will be, this is range. For 70 degree range we have to take 165. Like that, this is 70 degree probe. So angle should be 70. This is angle. If it is not 70, then from here we have to make it 70, either increase or decrease. So now it is 70.3. So if we are using 70 degree, means we have to make exactly it 70. So now it is becoming 70. So now we have converted from this plus and minus to 70 degree. So whatever the probe we are using, accordingly we have to change the angle. So we have taken this 70 degree. So here angle is 70. Now we will move this probe. So we can see that height of the echo is increasing and decreasing. When the height of this echo is maximum, so this is decreasing, increasing, and like that again it is decreasing. So this is the location, here height is maximum. So here beam path is 96, but actual beam path is this radius, and this is 100. So we have to make this beam path 100. So for that we have to come to the delay. So first we will come to the delay function by this cursor. Now we are shifting towards the left, and now we come to the function of the delay. So from here now we will change the value of delay. Here delay is showing 54. So we have to make the beam path 100. It is now 96. So we have to make that beam path 96 to 100. So we will change the delay by this plus or minus. Now it is 99, we have to make it 100. Now it become 100. So calibration for this 70 degree center forward completed. Like that we have to do for the other 6 probe for the SRT. In case of DRT, we have to do the same calibration for the other 70 degree. So this is the process for the calibration of the 70 degree probe for the rail testing. For that we have to use the 70 degree 2 megahertz probe and this IRW block. And when we are placing this probe at this location and when the height of this echo is maximum, that time we have to see the beam path. Beam path is as per this IRW block, it is radius, so it is fixed 100. So we have to make that beam path 100. This is the calibration. Okay, thank you.